iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Mamelodi Sundowns qualify for the final of the Carling Black Label Cup at 5 p.m. They will be playing then. They defeated Amazulu comprehensively. Should have even been 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You take your pick. Junior Khanye, our analyst. What do you make of the game, sir?
Yes,
sir.
Budisele ngwenye 2 tracks.
Freezy.
Budisu Justice.
Freezy.
Benedict Sovilagas. Buffett Winchan keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one, try to fix South African football. Yeah. Get exposed the coach. Get exposed players, the structure. Yeah. Reinformed team, Sundowns. Nothing has changed at Sundowns. They were the winner trophy previous years. The team there today, I'm very, very. Now I'm reinformed as the analyst. So Ngulego, good to see South African identity football. We dlala ngakhona. Score ubone ukuthi la bekumele korwe. And without kube ne courage kwenzeni, just to think. So defense, midfield. Last year you can tell those are strikers. So asiqale ngamaZulu. I think amaZulu in the middle they were exposed. I feel ashamed for Makhaula and Makhaula. They were playing sort of 4-4-2 or 4-5-1. Ngibonile Okapaltino manga front team and Machuru. Okapaltino was playing more behind Machuru. Brooks lie in the middle. Lomchitu Pukenen. Ngapa ka right more Lomfano Brooks. Ngapa Upukenen in the middle, but bebanga defend. When you need them most good but defend, bekuba inkinga. So Makhaula you become a centre back. Melaba alili play. Abafune Upukenen because fihlile him and Brooks. Also, they got exposed at the back. Bekumele kube 5 first half, second half. It's like a training session. Yeah. You don't get the structure of that. Even second half, I see someone maybe Ningasho. Yes, I understand there was improvement, but for me, they try so hard. The quality is something else. They try to come back Yonki team. Because there's no different. We are Yonki, Ateka Yonki, and Shia, Umuntewa, and Machura up front doesn't make sense. So, go back and Shia bound to weapon a department. So, good in the middle is 2. There's one, and then there's Machuru. But now bring the team at the back Yonki, coaching engine. So, we need to be honest. To foreclose is improve the team, but today is been exposed in his players. So, Sundowns actually with Abuzunga Boba number 1, Andile Charlie. One of the best players, I don't care who says what, in South Africa, defensive midfield. Today is there. Kule wazi mangabu petty leader at the back, asqale with the rook, asqale with goalkeeper Ronan Williams. And you need the rook a leader, Ronan Williams a leader, the rook, and the Charlie up front, unadom fana mailula. Credit to the boy. Upcoming. I don't care how we miss, but look at the pace Ranela goes. Look, Peggy NH umfana. And to take players on, he composed a pump box. Credit to him, just in need to work in finishing yak. Look at the room for improvement. EH. So Sundowns today they won the game in the middle. They exposed Makhaula. The guy tried the equality per Makhaula. I wish Begmela which is the Sundowns for me. Adalele sort of mangabu zungoriena. You understand the guy Andy Loyen. So unfortunate Begana Banyabanta compliment. So Sundowns they complimented each other. When they didn't have a pollenting issues all but close the ground. At the back Umdiba Mrena the side Umdiba Ngale my side balance. In the middle Zung Andy Charlie. In front of them Chambers one. Today players at Sundowns since previously. Some players they were hiding. They didn't show off. Once they got to Roland Bama point, give the players chance that they deserve to play. It was a matter of goodbye and Zamatijina right my coach Pel. Some players deserve that are working hard. Now I pay off. When they come to the bench, Pegiko Lagarani. Goalkeeper Bamzumile. It's cheap. Not the training fit. Pegiko Laga Domingos. Identity South African football. So Abanyaban Mouse with the Sundowns is not one of the best team. We keep this team. We rest for a final. Even the final team, they can still gonna beat you. They will still gonna beat you. So today they show Ngule we need to first semi-final compliment for South African football to witness for all of us. So it should have by 13 or 14 goals. Yeah.
In the final, are you trying to mix it up, or you taking maybe 5 or 6 of the players that played here, or you try a completely different team? Because you have to keep in mind that the break is only 3 or 4 hours, really. There's not a lot of break. So what would be your mindset going to the final? How do you combine? Because now akuvoti my fans manje. It's you as the coaching staff. How do you then decide how you're going to play in the final?
Well, udlala ne-team enganama-depth, Chiefs and Pirates, abanayi-depth. First 11 yeqala Pirates and Chiefs. Yeah. So Sundowns, why fix it if it's not broken? You play with those players as you can make 2, 3, maybe ngenza example. Mina ubongani Zungu bengamresta. Ngidlala nge-defensive midfield one andile ngifaka umayema la. Or even Domingos he came and score. Ngicale nangayo Ralanda, he came and score. And to score, the confidence get up. Nalo mfana mayilula bengizoqalisa energy seseyiningi mncane. I-recovery lamfana akafana umuntu omdala. Play him. I think since he's playing there, yigo mina bengikhala uShalulile, I love him. I know he plays like Mtsowitso. He's a South African top goal scorer. You like it or not, their numbers don't lie. But pegi first half lapha. Pega ama principles of game. Noma ngaba kakuru pegi movement umfana yenzayo. Pegi understanding ukuthi Sundowns uklika kanjani umfana. So the boys been doing well. Mina nyambuyisa la mfana. I'm sure they will score any team ezoyithola 3 or even 2. So mina ngizoya ngale team. I can make one change uzungu rest. You could tell second half ukuthi yeah, he was but quality and image fitness, that's all. So mina benga resta yena, put Domingo there up front. Ngiyeka nje benjalo mina the team edlalile eqale uzungu. No, nyam eliminate ngifaka uDomingo, simple. Muthupa can chill cause ningi into engifuna ukuzibona umthupa kuye. Umntana kaChrist nyazi man angixolele, but we need to tell the truth. Kwamanje kusamela sebenza umjidi yabo, because he got so many chances, he need to score. You understand? So for now I'm resting because watholile ama chance. So play Domingo, he came and score. False 9 kabanga akusi striker, but he came and punish, simple. So play him.
Okay, there you go. That's Mamelodi Sundowns defeating Amazulu. I keep on saying to both of the guys that there's nothing that happened today that we didn't expect. If anything, it's always a surprise when Sundowns lose. I always look forward to seeing them at least being challenged or losing a game because it's such a rarity. We'll see them in the final then. They'll either play Kaizer Chiefs or Orlando Pirates, a game which will play at 12 o'clock. So we have an hour between now and that point if you're seeing this video right now. Of course, we'll come back to analyze the Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates game. All matches at the FNB Stadium, all 3 matches being played on the same day. Last game will be played at 5. You'll see our videos around 8 or 9 p.m. It is iDiskiTV, Times, All Sports Betting. Thank you for watching.